Alright, I got a call. No cooling. Let's go see what's going on. Excuse me. Alright, so I had no power on the unit. Came up. Fuse is blown. So the only reason a fuse is going to blow on a split system is because of the blower or transformer. Got a new fuse. But let's inspect and see. High voltage. It's all good. Sometimes the door switch can be shorted. I checked their wires in here. They're all tight. I checked the wires behind there. They're nice and tight. What I did find was this. Broken wires. Right there. Look at that. So we're gonna try to repair those and see what happens. Alright, I'll take the blower out, try to repair these wires. And then I'm going to zip tie everything back up. Take all your garbage. Make sure you throw all your garbage away. Keep all your screws together. I like to cut all the zip ties off and then I just redo them. Make sure I keep a bunch on me. That's some new ones here. Down. Let's see. 5/16. Those are pretty loose. Tighten those up. Make sure all your terminal ends are real tight. Whatever you can do to make the system better than what you had arrived with, just try to make it better. Let's see. Alright. Let's see. This is what we got. Broken wire. That is fucked. Look at that. Wow. No, there's no way. Alright, well, I gotta go get a new motor. See what it is. 120 volt, 11 amp, 1075. 11 amp, 1075, 1 horsepower. Alright, well, I was gonna try to repair these wires, but there's no repairing that, so I'll have to go get a new motor. And that's a shitty mounting bracket too, but it'll work. So alright, and I gotta go get a new motor, and I'll get this thing swapped out, and then I'll throw up the continuation video here in a little bit. Rock on.